Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, kidney transplants, because I've been living with a kidney transplant going on 18 years, much longer than it was ever supposed to, because I'm very aggressive in my kidney care, where I see different transplant doctors just to get different ideas and perspectives, to different nephrologists, to where I do all the nutritional, natural health research into kidney care. So today's video is about two studies I'm going to reference and about a couple things that you can do to help your overall health and your kidney transplant last longer. So make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't, just down below. Also, leave questions if you like in the comment section. We'll get back to people in a pretty short time. So first off, Journal of Renal Nutrition 2021, association between dietary intake and serum uric acid levels. Uric acid levels is a breakdown product from certain foods. And with kidney disease or kidney transplants, because you generally don't have good function, uric acid levels can go higher. When they go higher, they're bad for your health overall, and they're bad for your kidney, where it can accelerate the loss of kidney function over time. So if you have elevated uric acid levels, some dietary things that you can do, or if you're worried about it or at risk, here are some things you can do. And these people who had the higher uric acid, they didn't have any gout attacks. So we're not doing this to prevent gout, which is a painful attack in your foot, big toe, related to high uric acid levels. You could have no symptoms of this, but if your levels are high, it's not good. So people with transplants that they found had lower levels of uric acid, they had more plant proteins in their diet. Now we know plant proteins are preferred. If you look at our channel and the overwhelming amounts of research in years, plant proteins are greatly preferred over animal proteins for kidney disease. So the plant proteins they referenced were beans and cereals. A lot of the people got some of their plant protein from. So you want to include more of those in your diet. They're easier on the kidney, okay, way easier for your body to break down, metabolize. And the phosphorus that's in these plant proteins like beans, it doesn't absorb well, so you generally don't have to worry about the phosphorus content. So that's the one thing you can do to help your kidney and help your uric acid levels, which could be an issue. Make sure to get your uric acid levels tested first. Second study we're going to reference is Diabetes Care 2021. Diabetes Care is the journal. Androgens, which are male hormones, and development of post-transplantation diabetes mellitus in male kidney transplant recipients. It's got a little longer name to that study. So this was in white males mainly, but this applies to all males. What they found were people who developed type 2 diabetes after the kidney transplant. One of the reasons, aside from diet, is because they had low testosterone levels. Okay, and the testosterone level they looked at was dihydrotestosterone. Okay, it's a metabolite of testosterone. And they found people who had lower levels were diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Now, they're not saying it's a direct causal relation, something they noticed, but we know from other studies with people with diabetes without kidney disease who have low androgen levels, low testosterone. We know that they have low testosterone when they have the type 2 diabetes development, and we address that and people generally get a lot better. They just feel better overall. It gets rid of a lot of the issues that come along with that. But you definitely should always be doing some type of diet, okay, to help the diabetes, avoiding the sugar, the junk foods, the high glycemic foods, large bowls of pasta, rice. So if you are at risk of type 2 diabetes with a transplant, if you've been diagnosed, check your testosterone levels, okay, because addressing those can improve the type 2 diabetes or the at risk, or improving your blood sugar levels. So those two things to do: plant proteins, okay, the beans, the cereals, okay, make sure you have plenty of fruits and vegetables to help your uric acid levels and help your kidney, plus getting your testosterone levels checked if you're at risk for type 2 diabetes. Thanks for watching our video. We have a few other videos about kidney transplants to check out into your best kidney health. Bye.